everyone, Vincenzo here with a new ukulele tutorial. This week, let's learn one of my favorite songs by Linkin Park, Crawling. You only need 5 chords to play this song, and they are C sharp minor, C sharp, A, E, and B. During this tutorial, you will see me playing E like this. I'm barring with my ring finger the 4th, the 3rd and the 2nd string, 4th fret, and the 1st string is muted. You see? Using this chord shape allows me to change faster between chords, but of course it's up to you to choose which shape you want to use. By the way, if you're not familiar with the chords I've just mentioned and you don't have time to learn them, you can put a capo on fret 4 and the chords become those, which are much easier. Having said that, let's start working on the verse. This is the strumming pattern. 3, 4, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. One more time. 3, 4, down, down, up, down. This is the chord progression for the verse. Let's play it. 3, 4, C sharp minor, A, E, B, C sharp minor, A, E, B. After this you have the pre-chorus, and this is the chord progression. Here you can keep using the same strumming pattern, or you can find your own. In the description you can find a tutorial on how to work out your own strumming patterns. Having said that, let's play the pre-chorus now. 3, 4, A, B, C sharp minor, E, A, B, C sharp minor, E. Let me tell you that the second time the pre-chorus is played, they add an extra measure of E, so the chord progression becomes this. And now it's time to work on the chorus. As you probably know if you follow me, it's better to use different strumming patterns for different sections of a song. The strumming pattern for the chorus goes like this. 3, 4, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down. You might not be familiar with this pattern, but it's a good one to learn and use in other songs that have a similar vibe. Let me play it again. 3, 4, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down. If you find this pattern too difficult, you can also use the same pattern from the verse, but at least change the intensity, so play louder in the choruses. This is the chord progression for the chorus. It's almost the same as the one from the verse. The only difference is the C sharp, which was minor before and it's major now. This is quite a cool thing to do. Anyway, let me play it for you. 3, 4, C sharp, A, E, B, C sharp, A, E, B. Now you know the main parts of the song, but if you want to learn it all, keep watching and let's learn the main riff of the song and the intro. This is the chord progression for the intro. Here you can just strum each chord once, like this. 3, 4, C sharp, 2, 3, 4, A, 2, 3, 4, E, 2, 3, 4, B, 2, 3, 4, A, 2, 3, 4, B, 2, 3, 4, C sharp minor, 2, 3, 4, E, 2, 3, 4. Now let's work on the riff. It goes like this. 3 and 4 and. Let's break it down. So you start with the 1st fret on the 3rd string. Then you have 2, 4, and then 2, 4, 3, 4. All together 3 and 4. And again. Don't forget that you start on the end of beat 4. By the way, for the right hand, I'm using the thumb for the 4th and the 3rd string, the index for the 2nd string, and the middle finger for the 1st one. But if you prefer, you can just use the thumb and it will still work. The riff is repeated 4 times in the intro. Let's play it. 3 and 4, first time. Second time. Third time. Fourth time. If you want the riff to sound closer to the original recording, play it an octave higher, like this. 3 and 4 and again. This might not be that comfortable to play, but give it a go and see what happens. One cool thing that you can do if you like to record multiple layers is record both parts on top of each other, and that will sound really cool. Now you know all the parts that you need to play the entire song, and this is the structure. Bear in mind, at the end they repeat the chorus 3 times, and in the last chorus they add an extra measure of B. Having said that, let's have a play along where I'm gonna be playing the verse, the pre-chorus and the chorus. And then you can decide how to arrange your own cover of Crawling. The tempo will be 105 BPM. So get ready, you're about to start playing. The aim of this tutorial was to give you an overview of Crawling by Linkin Park, so that you can put together your own cover of it. On my Patreon page you can find the tabs, the chord chart and the backing tracks that you need for practicing this. You have 3 backing tracks, one at the original tempo, one slower and another one even slower. And don't forget that if you learned something from this video and you would like to say thank you, you can buy me a coffee, link in the description. That's all for now. Let me know in the comments if you managed to learn this song. And if you want to take your playing to the next level, have a look at my free course here on YouTube and download my free 8-step roadmap, link in the description, that will tell you the exact process to follow to learn the ukulele. Moreover, check out the other links in the description to learn more about the types of classes that I've got available at the moment. And of course, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my new tutorials. Having said that, thank you very much for watching and I'll see you next week. Ciao!